Manya Susri Dola Senji demand to address the problem of undernourishment in India.
Thank you, Deputy Chairman, sir, for giving me the opportunity to raise my zero-hour submission here. Sir, till date, हमारे विकसित भारत और अमृत काल के माहौल में 76% चिल्ड्रन आर द विक्टिम्स ऑफ फूड पॉवर्टी. यूनिसेफ की रिसेंट डाटा के अनुसार 92 हंग्री देश के अंदर भारत 84th पोजीशन में है. So unfortunate, sir. Very recently, United Nations Food and Agricultural Organization data revealed that India is the largest contributor to global undernutrition, with approximately 194.4 million people, that is 14.37% of our population, lacking sufficient nutrition. Over half of Indian women are anemic. So saddening, sir. The major causes of undernourishment are lack of access to and unaffordability of nutritious foods. Unequal distribution of wealth and property plays a major role in creating their lack of access. The top 1% of the population controls over 40% of India's total wealth, sir. And on the other hand, the National Family Health Survey 5 reveals that 20% of children in India suffer from wasting, that is low weight from height, and 36% suffer from stunting, that is low height for age. Moreover, India accounts for 49% of global burden of wasting, highlighting a significant challenge in combating this from the acute malnutrition. This statistic shows an urgent need for comprehensive and effective measures to address and mitigate child nutrition across the country. We cannot address undernourishment without addressing rising food prices. Food inflation rose over 9% in June. This is mainly on the back of increase in price rise of vegetables, pulses and cereals. Urgent steps must be taken to address the problem. I urge upon the Minister and the Union Government to address these alarming trends by intensifying efforts to tackle malnutrition through targeted nutritional program and improving maternal health as well in the country, and allow the opposition also to discuss about Dinesh Phogat, as we have discussed on 20...
No, nothing. You are misusing. No, it's not allowed. Please.